In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a safe sender list in Gmail. So if you want to make sure that an email always goes to your inbox from a particular sender, then we can do this by adding them to a safe list. Now, although there's no built-in feature in Gmail to do this, we can still go and add people to a safe list to ensure that they hit the inbox every time. So all we need to do is go and add this person to our Google Contacts. So if you've already had an email from this person in the past, then you can simply click on one of their emails. You can then hover over the profile picture in the left hand side, and you can select the Add to Contacts button to go and add this person to your Google Contacts. Now, the next time this person sends you an email, this will ensure that it always goes to the inbox. Now, you can also do the same thing by clicking Contacts in the right hand side of the app. You can then select Contacts, click on Create Contact, and from here you can just go and enter the email address of the person you want to add to this safe list. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.